how can I grow my brand sales using PPC the right way? Invest in your product strategies. Product strategy is everything that is brand related, branded keyword related, everything that is listing related. Many agencies are going to tell you that no, those people already are looking for your brand name, and why should you pay for something that they are about to find? My view on that is if someone is looking for your listing, I'm advertising actively against your branded keywords, I'm going to be the first one showing up, and I might show just a bit of your shine, your light, and then I will be the one always in the back mind of the customer. Maybe that other product, yeah, it was cheaper, yeah, it was better quality, maybe I should just go back to that other product. So again, I'm saying that because this is part of one of our strategies, which is whenever we see that we have a competitive advantage against other brands that also advertise within our niche, we are going to target them just because people are going to consider our product and eventually they're going to purchase our product. Letting you know that is one of the things I would be doing right away that most people are still advocating against.